Little son and I will tell you what we do. Undress yourself, get into bed, and the tale I will tell to you. It is all about your daddy. He is a man that you seldom see. Well, he's had to roam far away from home, away from you and me. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away. In the cold and heat, all the hours of the week, on England's motorway. Oh, sure we'd like your daddy here, yes, sure it would be fine, just to have him working nearer home and be with us all the time. But beggars cannot be choosers, and we've had to bear the load. For we need the money your daddy earns from working on the road. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away. In the cold and heat, all the hours of the week, on England's motorway.